Hi everyone, this video is simply um, to make sure you understand what you're doing today. So today is checkpoint number 2. You will have class number 2, which is today, and you will have class number 3, which is our live class next class. To complete this, however, I will be checking that you have accessed this document and that you have worked on this document during class number 2. You cannot procrastinate. If you procrastinate, that will result in a reduction of points. Okay, so I will be checking. So please make sure you are working during both classes. So what you're going to be doing is the research and background of your health problem. Today you will start working on your health promotion and education project. You have already come up with a specific health problem present in the target audience that you will address. Now it is time to investigate this health problem and the audience in detail. You will have 2 days to complete this task. I will be checking how much you get done on the first day on class number 2, which is today where you're supposed to be watching this video, to avoid any procrastinating. So please make sure to write down your health problem and your target audience here so that I can remember what you're working on. Now you're going to be writing about your problem. What is the health problem you're addressing? So you're going to give me a summary of what the health problem you're addressing. Then audience, who is your target audience? Describe any relevant features. So if they're children, what age group? If they're from a specific country, what country or what region? If they come from a specific socioeconomic background, what is that status? Gender, nationality, anything that is specific for your audience, you need to define here. Then you're going to start looking at detailed information for your background. What do we know about the problem in general, just in the world in general? What do we know about the problem within your specific audience? Okay, what's happening if your audience is children? What's happening specifically to these children? How is the problem related to content we've learned in class? This is very important. You're going to be talking about things you have already learned in class. So this proves to me that you have learned these things and have addressed them in class. So you need to talk about this question in detail. Why is it important to address this problem? This is also a very important question in the general population and in the specific audience. Why did you choose your health problem? Why is it important to address it? Do we know if anything has been done in another population or group of people to solve this? If your problem has to do with trans fats, have other populations or regions or nationalities solved this problem in some way or form? You need to look for that information and discuss what has already been done and the results. Okay? Your grade for this checkpoint will depend on the following. There is detailed information on the health problem being addressed, so all of this comes from sources and it's detailed. Okay? There is reflection on the importance of your project. This part D is very important. There is research about strategies that have already been used in the past. Part E. Okay, super important. Every health problem in some shape or form has been addressed by some other people. Okay, so you need to find that information. And when you're doing all of this, you are going to be citing at least 3 sources, APA style citations, and it needs to be both in text. So as you're writing, you're going to cite it in the text, and you're going to create a bibliography page. So hopefully that makes sense.